converses with contempt.
They decided to hide their relationship. So, hi, Strongman.
Hi, team.
How are you, my dear?
I'm very good.
How was your day?
It was good. Yes, I am blessed.
You are blessed. As for me, I have not been feeling well for the last 2 days, but I'll be okay.
What about the injections? Are they working?
The injections are working. Yeah? Yesterday I went for injection. Yeah, and today I'm a bit fine. Let me just say that.
Yeah.
I'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we pray God for you to be fine, and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
You'll be back to default.
Back to default. Very soon.
Yeah.
Yes, our day was good. Today is on a Sunday. We didn't go to church today because I wasn't be feeling well.
And me, I was busy
working
on the car. I had to change the plugs, the filters, a full service.
Yeah.
Because I've been traveling a lot with it.
Are you a mechanic?
Let me tell you that mechanics made me to be a mechanic. Yeah, I bought something here. and it works very good for you.
Okay.
It's a scanner.
Mm.
This one here. This one here. It's called OPD.
Scanner.
OPD scanner.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you fit it in your car,
Yeah.
it will tell you where the problem is. So my problem with the car, it was just one plug was not firing.
Mm-hmm.
And I just inserted this thing in.
Mm.
And there is a plug here in every car, every automatic car.
Mm.
Yeah, you just insert it there and you scan.
Mm.
You scan it and it tells you where the problem is.
Mm.
So that's what I do.
Mm-hmm.
Because mechanics, they tend to lie to you.
Mm.
They come and fix that problem,
Mm.
and then they mess up with
They
another
leave
one.
another
Yeah,
mess.
they mess with
Problem.
they mess with another place.
Mm-hmm.
So that after 2 to 3 days you call them again.
Okay.
So
it's
with
better
this
to
one,
buy this one, huh? You check for yourself where the problem is, huh?
yeah, when I came back and started the car, inserted this thing, it told me that cylinder 2 is not firing. So I knew the problem was the plugs.
Okay.
So I changed the plugs and the car is okay.
It's fine now, eh?
Yeah, you can start it and it's only one kick.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yesterday it was not like that. It was vibrating.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm.
So can you go inside? The food is ready.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are going to have our supper, our dinner right now. I think it's 8 p.m. right now. Maliza akuje nimwongeze.
Whatever he wanted. His brother happily hugged him. His girlfriend felt helpless. The man wanted to tell his friend that they were dating, but the friend had just been dumped by his girlfriend. To avoid upsetting his friend, they decided to hide their relationship. Just as the man was warming his girlfriend's hand, the friend suddenly turned around. Both of them got extremely nervous. The man had a quick idea. He pretended he was really curious about the smell of the handkerchief, but the friend said he
That
had
was
washed
best.
his hands after using the bathroom. The
Diamond.
man encouraged his friend to believe in love, but the friend misunderstood that the girl liked him. His heart was beating fast. Then the girlfriend asked her boyfriend to take photos for her. The friend finally found, "You have such a good
Alvin.
friend around you?" The man found out. Then
I'm
his
so
boyfriend
good.
was having dinner with a strange boy.